This video will show you how to replace the control unit in your Champion open frame inverter. Make sure the engine is completely cool and always disconnect the battery and the spark plug cap when working on your unit. Step 1. Turn the fuel valve off and use a pair of pliers to disconnect the fuel line from the fuel valve. Then use a 10mm socket to remove the bolts in each corner of the fuel tank. Gently remove the fuel vent line from the top of the fuel tank and then lift the fuel tank out of the way to access the control unit. Step 2. Cut all the cable ties binding the wires and wire connectors, and then disconnect every wire connector on the control unit. Then use an 8mm socket to remove the 4 bolts holding on the control unit and remove the old control unit. Step 3. Set the new control unit into place in the correct orientation, and be sure to include the grounding wire when replacing the 4 mounting bolts. Tighten the mounting bolts with an 8mm socket, and reconnect all wire connectors in the correct location and orientation. Now you can reassemble your unit. Replace the fuel tank and replace the bolts in each corner, then reattach the fuel vent line. Replace the fuel line and secure with the hose clip, and lastly, reconnect the battery and replace the spark plug cap. Your control unit replacement is complete. Always follow the safety guidelines in your operator's manual, and for more help guides, visit the Champion Help Center at help.championpowerequipment.com.